I have quite a large collection of cutting boards, but this set from CLOVR has quickly become some of my favorites. My name is Kate with WTI, and you have to agree that this set is so stunning. It has that beautiful checkerboard pattern. They're a really nice thickness, so they feel high quality. They're made from end grain bamboo, which is actually gentler on your knives, and it doesn't leave those deep grooves. So it's nice. It keeps your cutting boards looking great longer. It comes in 3 different sizes, so it's perfect for chopping things, but also as a charcuterie board. Really pretty to display things on here. As you can see, it has the deep juice grooves, so if you are cutting something juicy or meat, the liquid won't be running all over the place. It comes with non-stick pads so that you can have a good grip on your countertop, and it's already pre-oiled, ready to go. It's even ready to gift. It comes in a really nice box. If you also love something functional but that's beautiful, that is exactly what you're going to get from this cutting board set, and that's my point of view.